Very good morning traders. Once again welcome to MST School of Trading. Many inquiries are coming. Sir, you are showing live trading in Bank Nifty, Nifty, Crudeoil, copper, silver, gold and all. Why not you showing in stock market, that is in cash market? See, we have released many videos on all the stocks, almost in all the stocks available in the NSE market and BSE market. But we are not able to release the video every day in all the script because it will take more time. There are more than 5,000 script in the NSE market. That is why we are selectively trading. And we had given one recommendation for Tata Steel, and not only for Tata Steel, all the Tata products. We have the trust, we can invest in Tata companies share for long term. Don't put stop loss. Whenever it is coming down, keep adding and keep increasing your portfolio. Don't take it as a recommendation. This is for the educational purpose. Since Tata is a good company, we are personally interested in investing in Tata companies. Unlike Adani, it's like someday it will go up, someday it will come. It is a fake generated signal. So that is why we don't recommend Adani or Reliance. But we have trust in the Tata's family, so that is why we are also taking the trade, and we are also telling for the educational purpose. It is up to you. After having consultation with your financial advisor, if you are interested, then you can go ahead only after your financial advisor consultation. So don't take this as the recommendation. Now let us see whether our MST iCore 2.0 is really working for the stock also or not. So what you have to do, go to the indicator settings and left side, bottom side you can see reset settings. Just give. So now it will be coming to default setting. Now I am showing you whether it has given entry or not. So this is not only for the Tata Steel, any stock you can apply. This is previous day. Here sell activated, targets hit. Here one thing you have to notice, by default it will be in a tiny stop loss, but if you see the price range, it is 130 rupees, only 3 digit. The movement also will not be that much. That is why we have to keep small stop loss, because the value of the stock is very small and movement also very small. So that is why you have to keep the small stop loss. Okay. Now let us see what is going to happen for Tata Steel yesterday. So exactly sell activated. See the perfection. This perfection only we are amazed to see. 130.55 high and the sell entry was 130.50. So exactly our sell activated, and let us hope for the targets. So once seller buy is activated, what you have to do? Come to the settings, enable the sell targets, and here instead of selecting MGR you can select DTP because of the sell. So now since buy sell activated, what we can do? We can remove the buy entry. Clear? So see what happens. First target 129.70, targets hit, that's all. Second target 128.90. If you are taking some 100 shares or 1000 share, one target will give 1000 rupees. Even if it is not giving targets also, you can hold it for tomorrow. Anyway, it will give you a target. Until the company is closed, you can hold the share and they will give you dividend and all. So you don't have to worry about it. So this is how our software works. See here, previous day also sell activated, target hit. Yesterday also sell activated, 2 targets hit. So this is the beauty of our indicator. Whatever you trade, whichever is script you choose, it will give the accurate entry. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe first, like, share and give your valuable suggestion and feedback. And whoever is giving a valuable suggestions, and you will be rewarded with a surprise incentive. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.